The U.S. approves potential $330 million arms sale to Taiwan, first under Trump. On November 13-14, 2025, the U.S. State Department approved a potential foreign military sale, or FMS, to Taiwan, valued at an estimated $330 million. This marks the first arms sale notification to Congress during President Trump's second term, which began in January 2025. Key details of the sale. This includes non-standard spare and repair parts, consumables, accessories, and logistics support for Taiwan's fleet of F-16 fighters, Indigenous Defense Fighters, or FCK-1 Qingkuo, and C-130 Hercules transport aircraft. It's primarily a sustainment package to keep existing aircraft operational, not new weapon systems. Purpose? As per the Defense Security Cooperation Agency, or DSCA, it is to increase Taiwan's ability to meet current and future threats by maintaining fleet readiness, supporting modernization, and sustaining a credible defense posture. The U.S. State Department notified Congress on November 13, 2025. These notifications are routine for sales above certain thresholds. Congress has 30 days to object, which is rare for Taiwan packages. If no objection, the sale can proceed. Reactions. Taiwan welcomed it warmly. The Presidential Office and Ministry of National Defense thanked the U.S., calling it a cornerstone of Taiwan-U.S. security ties and proof of continued commitment under the Taiwan Relations Act. It helps counter China's frequent gray zone incursions near daily air and sea patrols. China, as expected, strongly opposed it. Beijing views any U.S. arms to Taiwan as interference in its internal affairs and a violation of the One China principle. Context under Trump 2.0. There had been some anxiety in Taipei earlier in 2025 about whether Trump might trade Taiwan concessions for a broader U.S.-China deal, especially after reports of paused aid and his past comments on Taiwan paying for defense. This relatively quick approval, about 10 months into the term, signals policy continuity on Taiwan arms sales, at least for now. This is a modest package compared to some multi-billion-dollar deals in prior years, but it's symbolically important as the first one in the new administration. A few days later, November 18th and 19th, the U.S. followed up with a larger $700 million NASAMS air defense sale, bringing recent approvals over $1 billion total. Sources: DSCA official release, Reuters, Taipei Times, Stars and Stripes, Flight Global, all from mid-November 2025.